Okay, so welcome to the third VBA lesson. So in this lesson, we're gonna be dealing with strings. So what a string is, it's just something that a computer does not recognize as a value. Okay, so for example, if we typed in hello, the computer cannot do anything with this hello, as opposed to if we type in 3, the computer can do 3 plus 8, or 3 is a positive number, and just do calculations with it. With hello, the computer doesn't understand. It's really something for the user to see. So in here, in this exercise, we're gonna be dealing with some strings. So let's fill this table. So my name is Yang. My age is 22. My gender is male. My nationality is Chinese. Okay. So let's join all of this up and create it into one sentence. So that's what concatenating stands for, or means. It pretty much means to group a string, or to group a group of things together. Okay, so let's open up a new module. Okay, so let's call this program concat string, or concat is fine. So we need 4 strings. String, so pretty much we dim 4 things: name, age, gender, and nationality as string. Okay, and so here let's get these values, assign these values. So name is ActiveSheet.cells 33, and this follows a simple pattern, I guess. Age is ActiveSheet.cells 43. Gender is equal to ActiveSheet.cells 53, and nationality equals to ActiveSheet.cells 63. Okay, so now we need to do some string operations where we can join strings up. Okay, so now we need a final string. Let's create a final string variable. Now you can name these variables whatever you like. I'm following a specific naming convention. This is called camel case. So if you want to know how camel case works, you can just search up camel case. But as I said, you can name them however you want. It won't affect how the program is run. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's make our final string. Final string is equal to, so the first thing, let's say, let's call it, okay, let's say my name. So name, and then let's add some words to it. So to add different strings, to concatenate strings, we just put the end symbol, and then we concatenate. We put whatever we want after that. So let's say Yang is a 22-year-old male Chinese, or Chinese male, whatever you like. So name, and then in here we're gonna put is a with spaces. Okay, we need these spaces because they're gonna, otherwise we're just gonna say Yang is as one word. Okay, because there's no space after the word Yang. So these spaces are just to accommodate the extra spots. So Yang is a 22, so age, and then add year old, so we need spaces again, and then add nationality and gender. Okay, so this will say, let's have a look at what this will say. Yang is a 22-year-old Chinese male. So in here, actually, it will say Chinese male as one word because we haven't put a space between it. So let's leave it as that for now. Now let's show this on a message box. Okay, so it doesn't show anywhere. A message box will pop up. and show the final string, or it's supposed to if this program works. So to do that, we just type in MsgBox, and then after that, we just type in whatever we want it to show. We can type in hello if we wanted to. Let's try hello. Okay. Now, if we do this, that means all the calculations before that were meaningless. So that's a simple message box that says hello. Okay, but really we want to show the final string. So let's just type final string. Let's see. Yang is a 22-year-old Chinese male as one word. So now we're going to add the extra space. Okay, so and, comma, space. So every time you need a string, make sure you have inverted commas around it. Inverted commas signifies that it's a string. Okay, let's run. Yang is a 22-year-old Chinese male. Yeah, good. So let's insert a button and let's call it concat. Yep, let's assign concat to it. Let's call it sorry, my computer's a bit slow. There we go. Let's call it describe. Okay, so let's change this to Nigel 50, male, Malaysian. Okay, describe. Nigel is a 50-year-old Malaysian male. Okay, so now you know how to use strings and message boxes. Okay, and that's the end of